Basically, where'd you find that?
He can't go to sleep. I got some medicine in my body. He can't go to sleep. Medicine around. Drugs in his body. Hey, he should die now. Hey, word this bitch, I swear to God, I might crash this bitch. I can't go to sleep. I can't go to sleep. Why? I can't go to sleep. I can't go to sleep. I got blood medicine in my body. I can't go to sleep. I can't go to sleep. I got these demons hunting me. Walking in the dark and they be steady fucking hunting. Keep a vibe on your lips just in case this shit go deep. Ain't no peace in the street. You see these demons keep on hunting. They can keep my soul. I swear to God that they want me gone. They really want the boy gone. He ain't did wrong. Drugs in his system. His body acting up. He can't see the reaper. He's like, hey, look, what I'm telling you, they won't kill me. Keep a pistol on you, that's gonna be your ending. Crying in the cutlass, it's 12 a.m. Round full of Xanax, that's overdose. He got them bodies, them bullets punched him. On that lean, niggas talking crazy, he go bustin' him. Off a bean, I be talking crazy. Should I kill myself? Listen to this song, so what he's saying, he be needing help. I can't go to sleep, I got these demons hunting me. Walking in the dark and they be steady fucking hunting me. Ain't no peace in the street, you know these niggas, they won't capture me. Mind feel the evil thoughts, they niggas on the blast. Ain't no peace in the street, you know these niggas, they won't capture me. Ain't no peace, no. I got messages in my body. They gon' see me in the street, I can't go to sleep.